That's about what, Neil?
You bet your camera action.
How wonderful it is.
What happened to it?
What happened to it, Rick?
Someone pushed me from the dock. It was one of those damn Frenchmen. Pushed me over the edge, and I fell into the drink. Unbeknownst to me, my buddies couldn't pull my fat ass up on a boat. Too weak and old. So I had to swim to the nearest ladder, which was about seemingly 20 miles away. I was pretty exhausted by the time I got there.
And what did you have in your pocket while you were there?
I had a Ziploc bag that actually failed. So my attorney will be in touch with Johnson & Johnson to sue their asses. Because their product was not effective, costing me the loss of my camera.
Was that the only thing? Was that the only thing in your pocket?
Now I had a wallet full of money and credit cards. And now I'm pretty sure that
Some fish stole $100 out of the wallet.
my entrance to the German club thing will not work either anymore.
Now you're in real trouble.
Because it's one of those little plastic cards, you know? You zap up there. Yeah, how pissed off Germans get.
They will when they see this on YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. This should be good. I will be on the Spillane YouTube list.
And here we are once again in good old
Old downtown.
Mary we go. And what do you have to say about this?
Hello, Neil.
Hello, Tommy.
How we doing?
We're doing well.
Is your camera working?
It appears to be.
Well, that's good. That's good. 2 out of 3 is better than most big league ball players. Mine still works too.
Ricky just can't fathom this. Because his camera only went to 1 fathom.
Yes, I'm traveling with a bunch of dicks.
He didn't read all the instructions. Do not take your camera swimming with you. All the do nots.
Well, he also failed to read how to totally zip the Ziploc bag.
Yeah, well, we spent $500 on groceries and someone saved 10 cents on Ziploc bags. Oh yeah,